Welcome back. I would like to give some tips. Probably you might know, you have already noted down to improve your communications, but still, I just wanted to keep strongly in your mind. So, because this is very important to get to know before start your job trials. So, the topic is help yourself, simple basic decision making, improve your communication. I have used a strong word called decision. If you don't take decision, if you are very bad at your decision making and you are not stand on your decision making, not only SAP or any software, you cannot be help yourself to get back to the job. The first thing. So everyone love to watch movies, watch English movies with subtitles, either any web or theater, create a passion. I used to go to English movies. So it's not uh, because of SAP. Before also I have a habit. Somehow it is helped me out. Okay. And next one is read business news in economic times. So there is one newspaper called Economic Times or Indian Times. Read about business content so that you can develop some kind of words before getting into the corporate so that you can able to impress. Of course, I'm very bad at newspaper reading. Still, I can advise you. I'm already 43. There is nothing, something comes back and sit on my head to get improved. So I'm okay. I'm handle it. Watch YouTube only English content. I'm telling you, whether you would like to see the comedy, whether you would like to see the political news, whether you would like to see movie content, reviews, or try to watch English because they are ready for you to give a lot of knowledge. Read entertainment content, newspaper or any website or anywhere. So English or only better movies, cricket or politics. So this is shortest time. Don't take the pressure, take a pressure now so that you will get a lot of research fruits in corporate like salary and benefits, a lot of things. That is different story, and we'll have one video for your motivation. And speak newspaper. What I'm saying that read newspaper, you are saying why I have to speak newspaper. Okay, this is just wanted to keep for fun. I kept this word. Actually, read newspaper. Speak newspaper means you have to read aloud the newspaper. Learn corporate jargons and new words. Okay, 6th point is very good point. In future I will try to do some videos, be ready for that. I'll try to teach you some corporate words so that it will not be new on your first job. Okay, record your voice and on your mobile. Observe if you lost more than 10 or 20 plus interviews, it is right time better try to record your voice, how you are telling your thing. That is more important. Probably I'll give you a few more tips in future. And now books, business magazines, if you have a lot of time, better do that apart from your job trials. Okay, don't get into this one. SAP is more important. Do SAP practice or any software practice 4 to 5 hours, and try to do this one also for half an hour or 1 hour or 10 minutes at least. It is very, very important. If you wanted to get into SAP, get into the SAP news web, a lot of content will be there, and try to get that inspiration and motivation for you, and do this. Follow my YouTube regularly. This is one tip I can give you. I'm not that much perfect in my communication. I'm okay. So if you listen, so that you will develop some confidence. Okay. Jai Bharat. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.